The first stop on our cruise was San Juan, Puerto Rico. We were really disorganised as we were very jet lagged after our flight. We made it to Fort Lauderdale just a few hours before our ship arrived in the port. I always love talking with fellow passengers about tours and excursions, and it helps me plan a trip. All of the ship's tours had sold out. We love snorkeling, so we decided to get a taxi to Escambron Beach. We paid $20 for the taxi to get there. And because we were so jet lagged when we arrived there, I realised I'd forgotten my money. But luckily our driver took Google Pay and we were able to head on down to the beach. I had read that if you go through the park area, there is a nice area to snorkel in a bay. But when we got there, it seemed rather dark and a bit gloomy. We decided to walk back along the seafront and head back to the beach, where we decided we would snorkel there straight away as the sun was going down and we didn't have much light left to see. I'm going to leave you now to see some of the underwater footage I got. As you can see, it was quite cloudy and there wasn't a lot of light. As we had no money, we decided to walk back to the port. It was only 2.3 kilometres. A person told me it is dangerous to walk around Puerto Rico at night, but we didn't feel uneasy at any stage. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit like down below and subscribe if you want to see more videos from our recent cruise.